Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to hide following lists on Instagram. So first you need to log in to your Instagram account and then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. So click your profile here at the bottom right corner and make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. So tap on your profile and then here on your profile you have to click this three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down till you see who can see your content. So you just have to simply scroll down here. And then once you see this, you need to go to your account privacy. So here's the thing, in order for you to simply hide your following list to someone, you need to set your account into private. So this is the one of the methods in order for you to hide likes. So what you're going to do is you have to tap and switch to private account. So if someone visits your profile, they will see your following list. Now, if you want to hide this to a specific person on your friends list or followers, then what you're going to do is you need to go back. You just have to simply remove your follower in order for you to hide your following list. But if you don't want to remove your follower, then you can restrict this person. So basically, in order for you to restrict someone, if you don't want someone interacting with you much, you can go to their profile and restrict them, or you can go to your profile, tap on the three lines, and then you have to look for the restrict option and restrict that account. Another way is that black specific users. So if you want to completely hide your following list from someone, block them. They won't see your profile at all. Instagram doesn't allow you to completely hide your following list from your followers. The only way is to either make your account private, block, or remove specific people. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.